In this video, I'm going to show you how to program your bungee jump app. To do that, to start with, you should open up the bungee jump, and I want you to go ahead and enter the data that is found on this document, which was the Coding Your Bungee Jump app. Go ahead and enter your mock data set number 1 into all of the values. As you can see in this app right here, I've already done this. So I have my mass of my jumper, my starting height, length of unstretched chord, spring constant, height of jumper, and uh, ending height. Pause this video now and enter that data in. All right, now that you've entered that data, we're going to do a couple of things. I'm going to highlight the different cells that I want to program some information in, and I want you to do that as well. So first, let's go ahead and highlight the box with starting gravitational energy. Let's highlight the box of string added, so you go up to this paint bucket up here. Let's highlight our stretch, and we will highlight these two, which are ending gravitational energy and elastic energy. Now that we've done that, we're going to start from the top and work our way down. So let's start up here with the starting gravitational energy. Well, we know energy, the equation for gravitational energy is m times g times h, where g is the gravitational strength of the Earth, which is 10. Okay. So in this column here, we want to start, as we always do with a calculation, equals sign. M is the mass of the jumper, so I'm going to click on cell D2. I'm going to multiply by hitting Shift 8 times 10 times Shift 8 again, the starting height, which is, in this case, 5.4. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, and I should automatically calculate out 18. I want to left justify this by going up here and clicking on left. All right, next I'm going to do the ending gravitational energy. It is the same equation, but we're at a different height. We're down here at the bottom now. So I'm going to hit equals. I'm going to do m times 10 times, now be careful here, we want the ending height, not the height of the jumper, which are the same in this case, but not always the same. So I'm going to click on this cell here, ending height. All right, my last thing is I want to get the elastic energy. To get the elastic energy, it's the total energy, which was the starting gravitational, minus the ending gravitational. So I'm going to hit equals. I will click on the starting gravitational energy, G2, minus the ending gravitational energy, G20, hit enter, and I get 16.8. 18 minus 1.2 is 16.8. All right, so now that we have all the energy done, I am going to go to string added. String added is a long equation, but you got to make sure that you get everything that is in there. So I'm going to start it with the equal sign. And to get the string added, which is this blue area here, I need to take the total distance and subtract off all the things that are on the bottom here. So to do that, I'm going to click on the starting height, which is the total distance. I want to subtract the length of the unstretched chord, which in that case is right here. I'm going to subtract the stretch, which is here. I want to subtract the height of the jumper minus height of the jumper, which is D20, minus the ending height, which is the safety margin there. Now, when I do that, I go back up top here and check. You should have D3 minus D13 minus D17 minus D20 minus D22 and hit enter. Okay. Now let's double check if I did that right. Good. All right. So my next thing that I'm going to do is I want to figure out what my stretch is, which is the last thing that I need. Now, stretch is one of the harder equations that you have to do, but we can do that with this. So we're going to hit equal sign. To do a square root, to undo the square, you can type in SQRT, and SQRT is a program already in Excel or in Google Sheets. And I'm going to say 2 times my elastic energy, which was this cell, 16.8. And I'm going to divide by my spring constant, which was 3 here. And I hit enter. Okay. Now, I don't like all these decimal places that we have, so I'm going to go up to this button up here, which is decrease decimal places. And I can back until I only have 2 decimal places. All right, let's go ahead and check to see if we got everything right. So we have 18. My string to add was 0.2, good. My stretch of my chord, 3.35, good. And my 2 last energies are there, good. We should be ready to go.